Hello and welcome once again to Principia Mathematica. We're going to carry on with the fourth part of the series dedicated to complex fractions. So we're going to study another example. We're going to skip up to example number 17. So we would have 3/4 divided by 1/6 plus 5 integers and 2/3 divided by 1/12 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 1/4 plus 3. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to sort out first this one. So we have 3/4 divided by 1/6, and then we're going to multiply the extremes. This will be 3 times 6 divided by 4 times 1. But it turns out that 6 is equal to 2 times 3, and that 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and then times 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then we would have 9 halves. 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 1 is 2. So now we need to sort out this fraction. We want to first turn this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we have 5 and 2/3, which would be 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17/3. 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17/3. Then we're going to divide 17/3 by 1/12. So we're going to multiply the extremes, and we will have 12 times 17 divided by 3 times 1. Then 12 is equal to 4 times 3 times 17, and then 3 times 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and then 4 times 17 is 68. Let me see here. 68. So 3/4 divided by 1/6 was 9 halves, and this fraction is this one. So we need to add up first 9 halves plus 68, which is divided by 1, as usual. So here the least common multiple would be 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 9, 9, plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 68 is 136, and this would be 145 divided by 2. So really this could be written down as 145 divided by 2 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 1/4 plus 3. This one is 9 halves. This one divided by 1/12 is 68. Now I added up 9 halves and 68. So 145 divided by 2 is all this. And now we're going to sort out the denominator. First we're going to start with this one. 8 minus 1/4. 8 is equal to 8 divided by 1, so the least common multiple would be 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 8. 32 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this would be 31 fourths. Okay. Now we're going to add up 6, so 6 plus 31 fourths. Remember that 6 is divided by 1, and then the least common multiple will be 4. 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 6, 24 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 31 is 31, so this will be 55 fourths. Okay, so it turns out that the denominator is equal to 55 fourths, all this. So it will be 145 divided by 2 divided by 55 fourths plus 3. So 145 divided by 2 divided by 55 fourths would be 4 times 145 divided by 2 times 55. Now 4 is equal to 2 times 2. Yeah. Now this one would be 29 times 5. Yeah. And then we would have 2 here, and then 55 is equal to 5 times 11. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we will be left with 58 elevenths. Yeah. So now we have 58 elevenths plus 3. So 50 all this fraction is equal to 58 elevenths. So now the least common multiple, well, this one is divided by 1, so we will have 11 here. 11 divided by 11 is 1, so we will have 58 plus 11 divided by 1 is 11 times 3, 33. And this would be 91 elevenths, and this would be the final results. And finally, just one last example. We're going to skip off to example number 22, and we have 1 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 1 minus 1/4. So how can we sort this out? Or how do we solve it? Well, we're going to start with this one. 1 minus 1/4. This one is divided by 1, and then we have 4 here as the least common multiple. 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1. 4 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 minus 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1. 1 minus 1 here, so this would be 3/4. So now we need to divide 4 by 3/4, yeah, because all this is equal to 3/4, yeah. 4 divided by 3/4. What we need to remember that 4 can be expressed as 4 divided by 1, and then we have 3/4. So this would be 4 times 4 equal to 4 times 4 divided by 1 times 3, yeah? This would be 16/3. And now we're going to add up 2. So this would be 2 plus 16/3. 2 has a denominator of 1, so the least common multiple would be 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2, 6, plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 16, 16, and this would be 22/3. So now we need to, well, really this is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 22/3. Okay, now we need to divide 3 by 22/3. So what we do is we have an integer and divided by 22/3 here. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that 3 divided by 1, and then we have 22/3. Okay, and then we would have 3 times 3 here in the numerator and 22 times 1. This would be 3 times 3 is 9, 27. Yeah. So now we have 1 plus 9 20-seconds, yeah, and then the least common multiple would be 22. This one is divided by 1, so 22 divided by 1 is 22 times 1, 22, plus 22 divided by 22 is 1 times 9, 9, and this would be 31 20-seconds, and this would be the final result. So this is pretty much everything you need to know about how to simplify complex fractions. I really hope that you found this series useful, and then we're going to carry on with other very important subjects. So if you enjoyed the video, please press the like button and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.